You've probably been told you need a dopamine detox. Delete the apps, sit in a boring room, stare at a wall for a weekend, and supposedly your fried, overstimulated brain resets itself back to factory settings. There's just one problem. A dopamine detox is impossible. You cannot detox dopamine. And the people selling you a 7-day reset are quietly counting on you not knowing that. So let's talk about what's actually happening in your head. First, dopamine is not the pleasure chemical. That's the myth everyone repeats. Dopamine isn't about enjoying something. It's about wanting it. It's the chase, the craving, the little voice that says, go get it. This one will be worth it. You need dopamine to get out of bed, to care about anything at all. Strip it away completely, and you wouldn't feel blissfully calm. You wouldn't feel anything. You wouldn't even move. So no, you don't have too much of it clogging up your system, waiting to be flushed out. Here's what's really going on. Your phone didn't overload your dopamine. It hijacked the oldest system in your brain. That wanting circuit evolved to make your ancestors chase food, chase safety, chase a mate. It runs on anticipation, and every app on your phone is engineered to hit that anticipation over and over with one cruel little trick: unpredictable rewards. You pull to refresh, and you don't know what you'll get. Maybe something amazing, maybe nothing. That uncertainty is the exact mechanism that makes a slot machine addictive. The craving isn't a side effect. The craving is the product. And that's why everything else starts to feel gray. Not because your receptors are burnt out, but because nothing in slow, ordinary life can compete with a machine built to never let you feel finished. A book feels boring next to an infinite feed. That's not damage, that's contrast. So what does a dopamine detox actually do? Nothing chemical. There's no reset button, no factory settings, no flushing anything out. What it really is far less exciting. You stop feeding the loop, and slowly, your brain gets used to slowness again. Boredom stops feeling unbearable. Quiet things start to feel like enough. That works. But notice, it isn't a detox. It's just the slow, ordinary work of breaking a habit, dressed up in science that sounds cooler than it is. So the next time someone promises to reset your dopamine in a weekend, remember, there's nothing to flush. You weren't poisoned, you were hijacked. And the only real way out isn't a detox. It's learning to sit still in a world that was built to never let you. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, click subscribe. Your brain didn't want you to know, but now you do.